Kaden.
Kaden. To me, Kaden.
What are we doing?
We are doing another unboxing.
Guess who we have today?
Let's see who we have.
Kaden. Guess who it is? Your favorite.
Premium Beards.
You remember what's the URL to it? What's its little website?
Go subscribe or rate premiumbeards.com.
That's right. And then what are you going to say to us? You're going to say subscribe, aren't you?
Oh yeah, I forgot about
that. Bell
that.
notification.
Subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and we need to check something after this video.
What is that?
It's remember the challenge we gave them all? What's been your favorite scent?
Oh yeah. I don't think anybody said anything to that.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh well.
R.I.P. Anyways,
So who's it? We just got this. It was a 51% discount on Black Friday.
Yep.
And we just held it. So Kaden. Ooh.
Now, oh wait, I forgot something. My pun of the day.
Oh, pun of the day. Okay, Kaden.
One second. All right. Your family's washing laundry. You ask them, "Wash you doing?"
That's pretty funny. Wash you doing? That's a bad pun.
Well, none of my puns are good. None of them.
Looks like a packing slip. Ooh, very
nice. I want to see it. I'm sorry. This video. No.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh, look at my favorite.
Oh no! You just caused unbearable.
Okay. Ooh, look at this, Kaden. What do you got? No, it's raining snow. It's snowing in Arizona.
It hailed on Wednesday.
It did.
That was a scary time.
Hail? Ooh, look at this, Kaden. What is this?
Everyone in my school was all like, "Oh my goodness, there's hail outside!"
Do you know what's really cool is that these come in little bags. They're not like wrapped a million times.
Yeah.
And they still have my favorite things in the world.
Popping. I feel like we're making this video awkward. All right, so we got beard oil premium beard. Sorry, I cannot speak today apparently.
What's in it?
Premium beard by www.premiumbeards.com. I will make them rain.
Okay, what is that? What does it have in it?
Ingredients.
What is it called first? Let's see what the name of it is. It says
beard oil.
Oh. Read it. Read there. What does it say?
Nose Nirvana.
Nose Nirvana.
Nose
Nose Nirvana. Do you know what I have of that? I have the beard wash.
How do you say this one? Ingredients.
Okay. What does it say?
VIRGIN.
What does it say?
VIRGIN.
VIRGIN. Virginia? Virgin
argan oil.
Oh.
Pure jojoba.
Oil. Jojoba. It's a
vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot, red caramel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, oil grape seed oil, beard oil. Contains 9 nutrients-rich oils. You're done.
Okay,
and I'm gonna fill this whole bucket, and when you're asleep, I'm gonna dump this whole thing on you.
Look at this. Ooh, beard bombs. Look at this. So, I already have this, and this is oh my goodness. Mr. Sean has hooked us up. So, this I already have, and this is like by far one of my favorite smells in the world, and it is $6.21.
We need to do something real quick.
Oh.
I want you guys to check them out, give them a review. It is Premium Beards. I've said it multiple times, but I'll say it again. Sponsoring at www.premiumbeards.com.
Okay, so are you gonna smell that one?
Yep, I am. I'm also.
I like the Nose Nirvana too, but I will tell you this.
I'm gonna say welcome to New York. It's a pool of plaid.
Ooh, That's a good smell.
Oh, I haven't said what it is yet.
Okay.
It's Sublime Melody.
Sublime Melody 621, which is my buddy Sean, who is owner of Premium Beard's anniversary date for him and his wife.
Oh, sorry.
So we made like an anniversary smell.
Ooh, that's cool.
That's pretty
Ingredients:
cool, huh?
natural refined shea butter, 100% pure white beeswax, virgin argan oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, scented with premium grade essential oils.
Very good. That's very good. Good job. What does it smell
It smells super good. It smells clean.
Yeah, this is...
It's a strong smell.
It just has... It's so complex. It's sweet. Has a little bit of everything in it. I mean... Yeah, that's just... It's a clean... I think clean, sweet smell is the best way to describe it right out of that. But when you get it in the beard...
Oh wait, I forgot we
so
always
good.
test these on my hand or something.
Oh, you want to try it? On your hand? Okay. Let's see what you do on your hand. Ooh, that's a really nice consistency too.
It smells so good.
Yeah, this is...
It smells the same exact thing on that hand, but it's so much more stronger.
I know, it's just really good smelling. And it's really a creamy balm. So, okay, now smell this. This is that Nose Nirvana.
Mm-hmm.
And then here's the... I already have the oil of the 621.
Sweet.
Sweet. See, I have the beard wash.
Definitely sweet. I say perfume.
You think perfumey? Cologne?
Very perfumey.
Cologne. Colognes, man. Perfumes are like... Yeah, that's a nice... It smells like the beard wash too, but
I don't know.
definitely not the beard wash has, you know, the smell of shampoo in it as well.
Yeah.
But, oh, man, that is... It smells sweet, but it's cologne.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just different. It's just so nice. Oh, that's Nose Nirvana for sure.
That is.
Okay, so here is...
See, that thing is, you have to tell me about most of the ingredients, because some ingredients I do not know about.
You don't.
Like, I don't know what virgin oil is.
Virgin argan oil?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the beard wash.
Let me see. 6.21 beard wash. Musk, vanilla chocolate caramel, tonka bean, coffee bean. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. Peppermint, lavender, Himalayan oil, patchouli, tar, and bergamot.
See, those are all the essential
it's gonna
oils in
have
it.
coffee bean. It's going to have
I know.
chocolate caramel. Yes.
We've already had six. This is the same one. Same scent.
Oh, no. No.
But...
No. Don't defeat me. It's defeated me.
It is a little...
My hands are all slippery.
See, it smells like shampoo.
No. No.
Oh, sorry. He wants to be the first one. He's the smeller. And his beard wash is just really good.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's very nice.
Okay. It's a strong smell. Like, that's a very, very, very strong smell.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a...
You should definitely go get these.
Smell this. Yeah, these are really good. Now, that's
And
the
you
same
also,
as the
we
end.
also, is it the same one?
This is the combo for that.
Okay. So we have a combo for wash, beard wash, butter, or is this butter?
That is balm.
Balm. We have a combo of wash and balm, and we have a combo of oil and balm.
Yeah. And I already have the 621 in oil.
That
so,
smells good.
Yeah. It's
I
a
wonder what
clean, like,
ingredients
cologne
next
smell.
week.
It's just is very unique. It smells really nice.
They use different
Wait,
ingredients.
what does it say on that?
Natural refined shea butter, 100 pure white beeswax, virgin argan oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, scented with premium grade essential oils.
Yes. Very nice. What's your first thought about that? Just a clean...
One sec. I'm gonna...
Clean, cologne smell. I just can't hear. That's just such a...
It's a lighter smell.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lighter smell. But at the same time, it smells amazing.
was waiting for you to
Well,
do
now
that.
we're gonna have to. Now you're gonna have to clean these all up with me.
Yes, but it was fun to watch it snow the popcorn on you. Or peanuts. Okay, so this...
Oh, I'm refilling now.
Oh, no. Okay, so this is something that we have bought before.
Oh wait, there's another one. Sorry.
Yeah, this is again this. So this is what we got for Colin because he liked this last time.
Yeah. Sorry,
this is
guys.
their barber blend, and this is the co-wash. So this is the wash,
Ooh.
and that is the co-wash. And next
We're
time I'm gonna
gonna
have
go
to buy.
ingredients. Oh,
have to-
sorry. You finished
ahead.
your words. You finished yours?
Oh.
No, you.
Next, so this says co-wash on it, which is different than the wash. Now the beard wash is like something you do maybe every third day,
This
and
one.
then this you could do every day. But
Ingredients:
let's see what this is. What is the
purified water, Polowax, glycerin,
glycerin,
glycerol,
bunch of
monostorate, PVP, K30, cetrimonium, chocolate, safflower oil, Problerbian Crotian spa, sterlconium, I don't know how to say these. Please help me.
It's okay. So this smells like the classic barbershop.
Yeah.
So it's oh my goodness gracious. That is just good. I snuck it. Did you see how I did that? I snuck it on you.
That smells good.
That
It's a
is-
strong smell. It smells clean.
It's like a barbershop.
It's very
It's
clean.
a barbershop smell. It
It
has
is.
that talc, a little bit of talky smell, maybe a little, yeah, total.
The first smell of it, you get like a little
Yeah.
spike, and then it goes down into it being super clean.
That is just a nice
Like
barbershop.
not spike in a bad way. I mean like spike
I think
in an
this is
amazing.
one of the best
amazing way.
barbershops that I've
Yeah.
had. And barbershops, you know what barbershops, because they smell like barbershops.
Yeah.
So it has a little bit of talcum. Sometimes they have bay rum, which is a little different smell of barbershop, but this one is definitely unique and wonderful. Smells awesome. So that's what we have for Mr. Premium Beard. Do you have anything to say?
Thank you so much, Premium Beards. Guys, definitely go check them out.
At what?
www.premiumbeard.com. After doing the narrator voice.
You have to do it in your narrator voice?
Yeah. And also, I have one thing I need to do. 1 second, guys.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's grabbing peanuts really quick. What are you doing? What are you doing with all those peanuts? what you doing? You
Nothing.
cleaning for me?
Yep.
What you doing there,
We're
Kaden?
gonna clean them out again, so might as well.
Are you cleaning? Are you cleaning some stuff?
Yep, I am. Now, if you guys don't know this, sorry I'm talking. I'm gonna talk while doing this. If you guys don't know this, this thing is already half full. I picked up pretty much all. Let me show you. I picked up pretty much all of them, and then they're all gonna go splat.
Okay. Well, that's it.
Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button. I cannot speak today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again.